At dawn, a man tiptoes away from a campsite, 5 swords clutched in his arms, while 2 remain planted upright behind him. The tents stand in orderly rows. The sky is bright and unforgiving. Every detail of the 7 of Swords speaks to strategy, discretion, and the ambiguous edge where cleverness can become self-deception. The man is the central symbol. His forward-leaning posture, half-grin, and careful steps embody intellect in motion, quick, tactical, working around obstacles rather than through confrontation. His action may be cunning or necessary depending on motive. Tarot withholds judgment. In the realm of the mind, discretion can be wisdom, or avoidance can masquerade as strategy. His tilt toward escape captures the moment thought chooses subtlety over direct force. The 5 swords in his arms form the second symbol. They shine with the weight of ideas, responsibilities, or insights taken entirely into one's own hands. But 5 blades are unwieldy. What he attempts to carry alone may overwhelm him. These swords caution that hoarded knowledge or solitary planning risks imbalance. Strategy without sharing creates burden. The 2 swords left behind are the third symbol. Truths he cannot take, commitments he avoids, unfinished conversations. Their upright stance suggests conscious or unfinished business. They stand like sentinels, reminding us that not all truths can be carried away. Some must be faced. The 4th symbol is the camp he leaves behind. Its tents represent collective wisdom, community, or conventional approaches. His departure suggests innovation, independence, or rebellion against group norms. Yet he glances backwards, revealing ambivalence. Ingenuity often fears being mistaken for betrayal. The 7 occupies this tension. The 5th symbol is the bright daylight. His act unfolds under full illumination, meaning consequences cannot remain hidden. Whatever is taken or concealed will eventually be seen. The sun reveals motive. Strategy rooted in integrity becomes resourcefulness. Strategy rooted in fear becomes deceit. Light strips away the ambiguity. His clothing, red and yellow, combines passion with calculation, the palette of risk. To rely solely on cleverness is to walk a thin edge. The card asks awareness, are you adapting creatively or avoiding accountability? In readings, the 7 of Swords signals strategic thinking, problem-solving, confidentiality, or the need for a subtle approach. It may encourage independence or warn against evasion, hidden agendas, or stealing energy from others by withholding truth. Its meaning depends entirely on intent. The 7 of Swords teaches that the mind is a tool, not a conscience. Strategy becomes strength only when aligned with integrity.